So I'm out here today. I've got to make this really quick because I'm going on vacation tomorrow morning and I'm leaving the country. There's a rack of bananas there. There's another rack over there just for show, but these have gotten really plump, whereas there's still lines on those. I really feel like I need to harvest these now and then they'll be ready to eat when we get back. Otherwise, my family will enjoy them in the meantime. It's a small rack, so let's see what we can do here. Let's get rid of the flour, and then I'm just gonna let this tree break. Boom. There we go. Nice solid rack of banana. One thing we always do is cut it down